read cycle will be generated of 3 T states. You can see PCH 2001 will be outed. Now 00 is the data. 00 is the data will be outed, and 00 is 2008. No, 2007 will, sorry. Initially 2007 will be outed. 2007 will be outed. It will point to this location. Opcode is being fetched and it is inside instruction register. Right now, decoding is done. Machine cycles are encoded. Now, according to machine cycle, first machine cycle, it will out the address of, so PC out. Program counter is incremented over here. This is 2008 now. So now this 00 will be fetched and it will be stored in Z register. Z register is there, na? WZ is not shown over here. So Z register, temporary registers are also there. It will be stored in Z register. Right? Then it will fetch 25. So it will be 2009. Here program counter will be implemented. Right? ALE will be made high. Then it will point to 2009. Then it is 25 will come to Z register, W register, sorry. 25 will come to W register. What will the program counter? 2009 in outage. Now program counter will be 200A. It is pointing to next location. Here you will have another instruction. Next instruction will be over here. But execution of previous instruction is not over. Right? In fact, it has fetched opcode and its operand. So 25 is in W, 00 is in Z. So in order to execute the instruction, what exactly processor is going to do? It will out W over here, Z over here. Now it will point to which location? ALE is made high, so it will point to W equal to how much? 2500. Will be outed. Program counter is not being outed over here. Here WZ out is there. Now it is pointing to 2500. Read bar is made low over here. So data from memory location 2500, 45 is coming over here and it is going to L register. It is shown over here. Right? Then again incremented value of WZ is outed. So WZ is incremented over here, is incremented by 1. So it will become how much? 2501. So 25 is outed over here, 01 is outed over here. Right? AL is made high, so it will point to 2501. Now read bar is made low, so content of 2501 will come to data bus. So content it is 85. So 85 will be stored in H register. Now execution of this 3-byte instruction is over. Now 200A is the instruction of is in program counter. So here onwards, right, fetching of next instruction will start. So how many T state it is taking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 T state it is taking. Is taken by processor to execute LHLD instruction. Similarly, for SHLD also, 16 T states will be there. I'll verify this. कहाँ गया LHLDG? Is it there? Yes. 16 T states are there. New slide. Right. Whatever ebook we shared with you, AP Malvino. Right. In probably it was third edition or second edition of this. Right. In second edition of this AP Malvino, in fact, at each T state, how data is moving, data slash opcode is moving inside the system is shown, but I will have to, but still so many T state in that also, even in AP Malvino old edition, right? Right, even though it is there, we have description of all T state, but in most of the T states you will find that it is shaded one. Right, what exactly processor is doing, it's not explained, or it is shown as FEO, fetch exception overlap. So I will try to get that book from library. I will scan and upload, right, those diagrams, right, all 246 instructions, right, details are there. Okay, so now I will do something related, right? Of course, instruction set we have to discuss in detail, but if you go by the programming, and as the program requires the instructions, right, that time it will be discussed, like data transfer instruction, right? Some of the data transfer instruction we discussed, arithmetic, logical, branch, and control. Right, these 5 type of instructions we discussed earlier. We gave suitable examples also. But let us discuss some programming, and program I will take from your sessional course, right? Sessional course, and it will be related to this. In fact, so many types of instructions will be involved in that program. So it will be more clear if you discuss the program directly instead of going instruction individually in detail, right? So I will go for second program. Second program is related to checking of bits of a word.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, could you just teach this topic in the next class, or we'll be having our open elective now?
Open elective?
Yes, sir.
But in that open elective also you will join after say 5 minutes. and you will keep on joining till 10:15, लेकिन निकलेंगे इधर से जल्दी. खैर कोई नहीं, tomorrow we can discuss programming. Okay, programming we will discuss related to delay generation. Delay programs we will discuss. Delay programs we will discuss, right? Because we have discussed now timing diagram. Timing diagram we have discussed, so we know how many T states an instruction is going to take, right? So we can compute, right? If a delay program is there, then how much will be the total delay, right, introduced by this program if processor is executing this. So in fact, delay subroutines we will discuss in next class. Okay, but try to join, right?